Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, last class we discussed about the properties of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, let us continue this one. That is, next property is prove that 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, or cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, or tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, in similar, if we take LHS, prove RHS. For first one, okay, let us consider that is 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x is equal to theta. Then what about x? X is equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta by the definition of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, let us substitute in RHS. That is, RHS becomes, that is, sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. If you replace, that is, sin inverse of x is replaced by tan theta, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sin inverse of, this is, there is a formula for 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta in terms of sine, because of outside is a sine angle is there. That's why it is in terms of sine angle. What is that? That is sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta in first year class. That's why this is replaced by sin 2 theta. That is sin inverse of sin theta is theta as the first inverse trigonometric property. By the property sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. That's why sin inverse of sin 2 theta is 2 theta. That is 2. Theta is replaced by, that is, tan inverse of x. This is the LHS part of the first property. Okay, in similar, second one also. So what is the second one? So for second one, that is 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, again similar take, let tan inverse of x is equal to alpha, then x is equal to tan alpha by the definition of inverse trigonometric function. If we replace in RHS, substituting in RHS, that is RHS is cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is cos inverse of 1 minus x is replaced by tan alpha, that is tan square alpha divided by 1 plus x square as 1 plus tan square alpha. This 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. As you know the formula, it is cos inverse of, this is cos 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha in first step class, that is cos 2x is equal to, cos 2x is equal to in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Here it is x is replaced by alpha only. This cos inverse of cos theta is theta by the definition of, or by the property of inverse trigonometry. Cos inverse of cos x is x. So that's why cos inverse of cos 2 alpha is 2 alpha here. 2 alpha, that is 2. Alpha is replaced by, that is tan inverse of x, that is equal to LHS part of the second property. In similar manner, third property is also proved by taking the LHS as substitution, replacing in RHS, then we get the LHS part. So on inverse trigonometric function, that is first one. That is, find the principal value of the inverse trigonometric function sin inverse of 1 by root 2. Okay, that's why if you take, let us consider sin inverse of 1 by root 2 as equal to theta. As equal to theta. What about this is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2 by the definition of inverse trigonometric function. Or else sin theta is equal to, what is 1 by root 2 in terms of sine? It is sin pi by 4. That's why theta is equal to pi by 4 is the principal solution of principal value of the inverse trigonometric function sin inverse 1 by root 2. Or else, if you consider other way, that is sin inverse of 1 by root 2, that is equal to sin inverse of sin pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 4. Okay, this is the alternative method for your solution. Okay, in similar second one, that is cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. To find the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, as you know the property, here it is negative is there. So what is the property as you know already? It is cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. As you know the property of inverse trigonometric function, that's why the cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 can be written as pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Okay, or this can be written as pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 in terms of cos is cos pi by 3, cos 60. Or as pi cos inverse of cos theta is theta as the property of inverse trigonometric function, that is pi by 3. Okay, pi minus pi by 3 is 3 pi minus pi. It is 2 pi by 3 is the principal value or principal solution of the cos inverse 1 minus